Hey everybody, welcome to the Real Show Barbecue. Today we're back at Adams Roadside Barbecue here in Goldsboro, North Carolina with Mr. Scott Adams. He's graciously allowed us back in his kitchen. He's going to show us another recipe and some few more tips. Scott, what you got?
Do a T-bone. We call it just like old steak eaters. Steak T-bone that will have a fillet on one side and then the strip on the other. Something very, very simple you can do at home, and show you a few tips on how to cook that.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and get started, guys.
Put a little dash of EVOO right in here. Gonna rub it around in the meat, around on that bone. Kosher salt. A little bit of dash of garlic. Onion powder. Get a good little amount. Some ground black pepper. Rub it right into that bone, give it a little flavor. Some restaurant style black pepper. We're looking with this T-bone to form a little bit more of a peppered crust. Bring out a little bit of flavors there. Alright, then we're going to throw a little dash of butter right on the top. We're going to let it sit for about 2 minutes. Cut our skillet on, our cast iron Lodge skillet that we have here at the restaurant. That's a Lodge or any cast iron skillet. It's a great piece of cooking equipment to have at home. You can cook fancier steaks, hamburgers, chickens, whatever you need. I grew up eating a lot of cast iron. I feel like it's like I said, it's a great way to sear and get a good crust on any type of meat. We're going to put it in our oven at the end. We're going to set our oven at about 500 degrees. This is a commercial oven here, so it's going to be pretty hot. We're going to get the flames here rolling, get our heat on the skillet almost at the high heat level. It's really, really hot. We'll see the grease popping a little bit. See the flames there. So just a dash of butter. And then we're getting ready to get this T-bone, as we call it, or steakhouse T-bone. Put right on in. There we go. Notice you can hear it. After we get it on the skillet there, we're going to put another dash of butter. Trying to get some char. Maybe throw just a dash more of pepper. I love the pepper right on the fillet side of the T-bone. Now, a little secret I like to use. I'm a big fan of minced garlic. I'm gonna get these steaks going good, and after I've flipped it over, I'm gonna put some minced garlic in there and a more dash of butter to get kind of a garlic buttery flavor taste. We cooked this T-bone here on almost completely high heat for about 3.5 minutes. And now we're gonna take it, we're gonna grab it right around the bone, and then we're gonna flip it over. Notice the char there. Again, a little dash of butter. And then a little more restaurant pepper. After you turn it, take you a swig of Adams Roadside Barbecue Sweet Tea. Here at the restaurant, we are known for one of our staples is our sweet tea, and nothing like good old sweet tea at a barbecue restaurant. Turn our steak over. Gonna throw some butter right on the top. There. Dash of butter here. And off we go to the oven. 2 to 3 minutes, 550 degrees. This is about what we've got this oven set at right now. With that butter, that compound butter is just cooking. The flavors, just seasoning it all together. Gonna be a great T-bone steak. Here's the sizzle, garlic flavor. I'm gonna grab the bone in. All right, bring it over to the resting place. All right, we're gonna come here. Got your T-bone, nice flavorful buttery garlic flavor on top. We're gonna go in. We're gonna cut right down the fillet. Good medium rare. Really tender. Come in. We let it rest about 3 to 4 minutes. All right. Now we're gonna check that flavor out. Melt in your mouth. Make this. Get you some nice spring vegetables. Get you some. Also, you can take this steak. Get you some gorgonzola cheese. Put you some butter with it. Some minced garlic. Melt those together. You got gorgonzola butter. Put it right over the top. Awesome. Goes with the steak.
All right, guys, I get a chance to try it now. Look at that, how perfectly cooked it is, how juicy it is. Running down my arm. Flavor is amazing. You taste that butter, that garlic together, all these seasonings. Such awesome flavors, guys. And like Scott said, another easy way to cook a steak, less than 10 minutes. You got an awesome flavor, an awesome tasting T-bone, guys. Guys, thank you so much again for being with us, and we really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe, guys. We'll see you next time. God bless.